So let's start with the brand new topic, JavaScript operators. Okay. So day 29th, and in the operators, what we are going to learn is how operators in the programming language are the symbols or the keyword, right? Are the symbols or keyword that perform the specific operations on data and control flow of the program execution, that perform what? Specific operation on the data and control the flow of program execution. They are the fundamental to manipulating and processing the data in the program. So whenever we talk about the operators, there are different types of the operators we are having: arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, ternary operators, short circuit, bitwise, unary, type of, and instance of. So these are the other operators, right? So when you talk about the arithmetic operators, what are the arithmetic operators? Addition, subtraction. So these are what we can say, these are the arithmetic operators. Let's see: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, decrement, and exponent. So these are what you can say the operators. So let us see operators 01.js, console.log, arithmetic operators, then console.log, addition, we can say 10 plus, or we can have const a is equals to 10, const b is equals to 20, and here we can say a plus b, addition, subtraction, a minus b, multiplication, a into b, division, a divided by b, correct? Modulo, a percent b, increment, a plus plus, sorry, increment, decrement. So this is a post increment, this is a pre decrement. Console.log, exponent, b into 2 into 2, b square. Let's run the project and see here. cd day 29, and here I can say node operators 01.js. Yeah, it's a constant. Can you see? Assignment to the constant variable. Concern is that let's make it let. Do you got the error or not? What is the error? So when you say a plus plus, hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
So when you say a plus plus, what is the a plus plus? A is equals to a plus plus 1, right? But this will not happen for the reason a is a constant, and that's why you are getting assignment to the constant variable. So make it let or where. What is the difference between let and where?
The let is both are EFX.
Let and where, I'm saying. Difference between let and where.
Both is in the EFX.
Let and where. I'm saying difference between let and where. So here I can use where also. What is the difference between let and where?
The curly bracket is present when where there is run in the bracket.
No.
The let is not applicable in the curly bracket.
No, wrong. Wrong. You are telling me program. I am asking you about the concept. I am asking you about what? Concept. You are telling me program. See here, let and where. Have you read this part? Have you read this part where let and const? So what is the difference?
Block.
Block what?
Leak loops.
Leak loops means what? So you are not reading. You are not reading.
No, sir, I reading.
If you have a language problem, you can speak in Marathi as well, no problem. Difference in where, let, and I ask this difference, where and let.
The where is
You can
function scope.
Whenever someone asks you a question, difference between let and where, and if you don't say the word called as scoping, you didn't understand the concept. Let and const allows you scoping. Where is non-scoped. Lexical scoping we have discussed with the program.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. And the let is block scope.
Correct. Let and const both are block scoped. Block means what? The curly braces. The curly braces you have defined, inside that curly braces only accessible. Now here we don't have any curly braces. So then what is the scope of this let? Whole page. Inside this page, let is available anywhere. Correct? But if I add simple block means what? Simple block means what? This curly brace. Let is only accessible within the curly brace, but where is accessible outside the curly brace also. That is the difference. Let's try to access A and let's try to access B. Okay, and now run the program and see. Can you see? A is not defined. Now let me comment this out and see what happens. Can you see? You are getting 19 as an answer. This is the difference between let and where. We have discussed this already. Okay, fine. This is a block scoped. This is called as what? Block scope. Block means what? Block means what? A curly brace. Any brace that can be function anything. So this is about the arithmetic operators which perform arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used in the programming. Arithmetic operators used in the programming to perform the various mathematical calculations on the numeric values. They allow you to manipulate the numbers, create the mathematical expressions, and perform the fundamental arithmetic operations. Here is a brief description of commonly used arithmetic operators. Right? Any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Assignment operators. Assignment operators. Right? Assignment operators in the programming are used to assign the values to the variables. They enable you to store the data in the variables. They enable you to store the data in the variables and manipulate those variables as needed within your code. Right? Within your code. So what are the arithmetic operators we have? Arithmetic operators, assignment operator itself is assignment equals to addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment, and what? Modulus assignment. These are modulus assignment. These are what you can say assignment related operators. Let us see. Console.log, arithmetic operators, console.log, assignment operators. So simple. Let C is equals to 23. This is the assignment operator. Remember that.
Sir, there is in a decrement before B, we can apply minus minus.
Yeah,
we can apply after B.
Yeah, we can apply similar to the A plus plus. You can do B minus minus also. But there are two
Meaning is same.
meaning. No, meaning is different. So it will make a assignment and then increment. It will increment and then assignment. Okay, if you want to see that.
Where is first A?
Okay, see here. See here, console.log plus C. Okay, plus C. Now if you run the program, check here, can you see plus C means what? Value of C is 23. What is output? 24. So first increment will happen and then assignment will happen. Okay, now let's do something. C++. Okay, and can you see answer is 23 here. First assignment will happen. First assignment will happen and then increment will happen, and that's why
Yes.
here answer is 24, here answer is what? 23. Remember that.
Yes. Yes.
That's why I have done in differently. This is a post increment. In bracket I will write post, or here I will write post, and here I will write pre increment or pre decrement, post decrement, whatever.
Yes.
But this is the difference.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the assignment operator. Now what we can do, console.log. Next part is addition assignment. Addition assignment. So C plus equals to 20 or C plus equals to 2. Similarly, subtraction assignment. Subtraction assignment, C minus equals to 2. Then multiplication, C into 2. C is equals to C into 2. So meaning of this is C is equals to
Equal to
C plus 2.
plus
So here C is equals to C minus 2. Here C is equals to C into 2. Console.log. Multiplication assignment, division assignment, C upon 2. Modulus assignment, modulus getting this?
yes.
Assignment operators. So this is a normal assignment. 23 is assigned to the C. Assignment operators in the programming are used to assign the values to variables. They enable you to store the data in the variables and manipulate those variables as needed in your code. Correct?
Yes.
See the output. So we are checking all in ones together. That's why. Okay, did I start the recording? Yes. Yeah. So this is about the any question on the assignment operators? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Comparison operators. Okay. Comparison operators now. So here we compare. The comparison operators in the programming are used to compare the values and determine the relationship between them. They can play the crucial role in the conditional statements and decision making code. Right? Equality. So let's do this. Comparison operators. So first is equality. Comparison operator, equality. First is equality. Then second, inequality. Then greater than, less than, greater than, equal to. less than equal to, less than equal to. So let us see now. So we will use let over here because we might need to reassign them. Okay. Let E is equals to 20. Let F is equals to 60. Console.log equality. Let's check the equality. Equality. E is exactly equals to F. Or you can do one more thing. E triple equals to F. We'll see this difference later on. Equality. Presently, you don't know one thing over here. Now, let's try to, actually one by one we need to run. Otherwise, if we run one in short, we don't get output properly. Equality false or false. Can you see? Equality false, and this is a false. Getting my point? Now, just a minute. Why I have written 2 times? Okay.
Sir, there is triple equal.
Correct.
That means type and value same.
We will check. We will see that. Just hold on.
Yes.
So this operator is called as equality operator. It checks the values are equal, disregarding their data types. Disregarding their data types. This thing is called as strict equality operator. This checks value and data type are identical. So presently E is the number and value is 20, F is the number and value is 60. They are not identical in both value and the data type. So the comparison comes to the false. So their values are not matching. Data types might be same, but their values are not matching. That's why it is returning here. It what? Just the value check. You can see this is what? Value check and value and type check. Value and type check. You getting my point?
Yes.
Now we will do one thing over here. Let's make it 20. This also 20. E20, F20. Okay. And let's check it. Equality true. You getting my point? Equality true. Right? Equality what? True. Equality means what? Value check. This means what? Value and type check. Value and type check. Value and type check. Value check. So both are returning what? True. So we'll do one magic. Let's add quotes over here. Now what would be the answer? This is a string. Remember that.
Yes.
This is a string and this is a number. And let's check it now.
First true and second false.
First true. Value. Can you see? First true. Second false. Type is not matching.
Yes.
Getting my point? Type is not matching. Values are same. 20. But type is not matching. Getting my point?
Yes.
And here your comparison operator will help you. I will add a normal 20 value also. Both will true. For the 20, normal number 20, both will true. This is true, this is true. Correct? Hello? But the minute you remove the, see here, again, true, true. Equality is also true and this is also true. If you add this and this, and if you can say true or false, this is a false. Okay? So what do you call it as? Value check. What this you will call it as? Value and type check. Here type is string. Here value 20. I can write. Type number. Okay, here value 20 and type string. That's why second fails. Do you understand? So this is a evergreen question asked by interviewers. This is the evergreen question asked by interviewers. Inequality. What do you mean by inequality? So we'll not use F. So let's make F. Okay, let's make, now let's try to do other operations. Console.log, console.log, inequality. Inequality. E is not equals to F. Okay, or E is not equals to, sorry, or E is not equals to F. Again same, what you are checking, E is not equals to value and not equals to type. E is not equals to just value. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
See now, false, false, true, true. Because both are equal. They are having equal value, same type. Correct? I hope you understand this.
Yes, sir.
Greater than sign. Console.log, greater than. Here we can say $E greater than F. False, right? Greater than equals. Equal to. Greater than equal to. Equal to.
True.
False. Less than. Because they are equal. They are equal. Less than. Less than equal to. Like this. Less than equal to. Correct? So these are your comparison operators. All would be false because the numbers are same. Correct? Less than equal to. So this will become true. This will become true. Because equality is also there.
Yes.
Logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators. So what are the logical operators? What are the logical operators? We have logical operators. And, correct. Or. And not. Logical operators. And. Logical or. And the not operator. Correct? And what? Not operator. So what are the logical or also called as short circuit operators? Logical operators in the programming used to perform the logical operations on the Boolean values. So logical operators in the programming used to perform on the Boolean values true or false and make the decision based on the truth and the falsity of the conditions. They are the fundamental for creating complex execution flow, fundamental for creating complex conditional statements and controlling the program flow, right? Logical on the Boolean, see, on the Boolean on values, because in the JS, remember that, just a minute, just a minute. So let's try it first. So remember that logical operators in the programming are used to perform the logical operations in programming language in JS on truthy and falsy values, correct? And falsy values. So whatever truthy and falsy is there, you can perform through whatever truthy and falsy, whatever falls under truthy and falsy, you can perform on anything. Now, what is a logical and? Let us see. Logical operators. So here I can say logical. Let x is equals to, let x is equals to 10, and let's not define the variables. Logical operators console dot log and, that is and double and in the dollar we can say 10 or say true and false. True and false. What would be the answer? True and false. Can you tell me what would be the answer? Let's write a bracket. Can you say output is some weird output you are getting and false? So something different is happening over here. So let's define two variables. Let x is equals to true and y is equals to false. So here I can say x and y. So I think same will happen. And false. That is not an expected answer we are getting. So let us see. Let c is equals to, or let z is equals to x and y. Let's see z. Can you see answer is false? And what was the earlier? Oh, I'm sorry. I already have mentioned it in the string itself. You don't need variables. I was thinking that the and over here is getting printed because of this and. I have written only, but I forget about this and. So here you can say true and false. And I was thinking that it is printing this. Actually, it is printing false over here. See now. Can you see and just to remove that, let's write this colon over here, which will tell that this is the answer. Yeah, and false. True and false, false. See here, true and true. What will happen? Second is true. Now falsy values. Let's check it for the falsy values. 0 and true. Answer is what? 0 and true. Answer is what? 0. And false. Here you can, sorry, let's take a next line. 0 and false. And here answer is 0. This would be there. If 1 is 0, everything is 0. Now here we can say 0 and 1. See, again 0. If anything is 0, between the and it is 0. Okay, now see, let's have 1 and string. Say hello. 1 and anything is hello. Can you see that? If this is true, and something, answer is this. Answer is what? This. If 1 and hello, answer is what? Hello. 1 and hello, answer is what? Hello. You getting my point? 1 and hello, answer is what? Hello. Correct? Okay. Now, what if you add string in the beginning? What if you add string, say hello and bye bye. Hello and bye bye. Answer is what? Bye bye. So this is a truthy. This is truthy, this is truthy, this is truthy, this is falsy, this is falsy, this is falsy. Correct? Truthy and whatever is, that would be answer. Okay. Now what would be answer for this empty string? And bye bye. Can you tell me what is the answer?
Null.
Null. Null means what?
Empty space is falsy value.
Yeah, this is the falsy value. So you will get empty spaces over here. Whatever is the falsy, that would be getting printed. Remember, these things are very important in the React. These things will help you a lot in the React. Okay. Fine. Now console.log undefined and what would be the answer? Can you tell me? Undefined and bye bye.
Undefined.
Okay. Let us see. Undefined. Because undefined is what? False.
Falsy value.
Fine. So in this way you can make your logic. So a general rule, a falsy value and answer is falsy value. True is a truthy value. True and falsy value, answer is false. True and true, true. 0 and true, 0. Okay, let's do it for the logical OR. Console.log OR. So here true or false. What would be the answer? True. ORing says that if anything is true, I will be true. ORing says that if anything is true, I will be true. Can you see? Or true. First answer is true. Now what would be for this? True or true? It's true. Correct? We don't need to print even. 0 or true. 0 or true what? Okay, see, it's true. 0 or true, it's true. Okay, now 0 or false. Now what? False. Both are false. This is the falsy value, this is the falsy value. Correct? 0 or 1. Falsy value, true the value. Answer would be what? True the value. 1. 1 or hello. 1 or hello. 1 or hello. 1. See, 1 and hello, hello. Remember that. 1 and hello, answer is what? Hello. 1 or hello, answer is 1. Sorry, here or. Here answer is what? Or. Now, hello or hello. Let's see. Hello or bye bye. Hello or bye bye. Hello or bye bye. Hello. True the value or true the value. It's true the value. Hello or bye. Falsy value or bye. Bye bye. Correct? Or means what? Only true the value would be selected. Undefined or bye bye. Correct. Answer is bye bye. Right? So this is logical or. Now NAND gate, that is nothing but what? Negation. 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 So any truthy or falsy would be negated. True. Not true means what? False. Not false means what? True. Not 0 is a false value. See what? Not 1 is like this. Let's run the program. Can you see here? False, true, true, false. False, true, true, false. Correct? So negation of truthy or falsy is a opposite. So here you can say negation of empty string. True. Empty string is what? Falsy, which becomes truthy. Correct? And generally you will find this syntax in the React. So if you want to check this is a empty or not. So one empty means what? True. One more negation. So this is what? True. This much is true, right? Which means that this much is true. If this much is true and you negate it again, which becomes what? False. So if you want to check string is empty or not, this is a code. This is a code. If you want to check string is empty or not, or if you want to check number is 0 or not, how do you check number is 0 or not? By means of this code. So this what it is returning? True. If you add one more negation over here, if you add one more negation over here, if you add one more negation over here, which makes it what? False. This is true, agree or not? So this is true means this is what? False. Double negation. But fundamentally same. A negation of the falsy value is true. So this is the negation of falsy value, true. And again, negation of that falsy value is, that negation of that truthy value is false.
False.
Right? Negation. So this is about logical operators. This is about what? Logical operators. Now ternary operator. What do you mean by ternary operators? Just a minute. Ternary operators. What do you mean by ternary operators? Correct. So when you say ternary operator, in a one shot we check everything. The ternary operator, also known as a conditional operator, is a concise way to write the conditional statement in the JavaScript. The ternary operator, also known as conditional operator, is a concise way to write the conditional statement in the programming language like JavaScript. It allows you to make the decision. It allows you to make the decision between the two values. Between the two values or expression based on the condition. So what is ternary operator? Console.log. Ternary means 3. Ternary means what? 3. So here you have a truthy or falsy value. So here we can say truthy value and hello or bye bye. So, or we can say more precise, it's truthy. And here we can write what? It's falsy. So, if this is a truthy, this would be getting print. If this expression, so here presently I have written one thing, but here we can write the expression also like this, or any comparison expression like this, right? If the expression result is truthy, then whatever between question mark and colon would be getting printed. The result of the expression is a falsy, so whatever after the colon would be getting printed. Correct? So first I will write for the truthy, this is for the falsy. Any expression which comes true or false, any expression which comes, here I can say true is also truthy, false is what? Falsy. Sorry, false. Run the project. Can you see ternary? It's truthy, it's falsy. It's truthy, it's falsy. Correct? So here you can write any expression which should result in truthy or falsy. Anything. Presently I just have directly written the 0, 1 or true, false. Anything. You can write absolutely anything which turns into the truthy and falsy. Rules would be getting applied same. What is that? If the expression result is truthy, whatever between the question mark and the colon, this much would be getting printed. If the expression result becomes falsy, whatever after the colon, that would be getting printed. Correct? Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Truthy or falsy. That's what we talked about. Ternary operator. Well, short circuit and the logical operators are same. Short circuit and short circuit OR are the same. So let's delete this. Bitwise operators. Now, what are the bitwise operators we have? let's write the bitwise operators. How many bitwise operators we have? Most confusing for the beginners, bitwise, and we can write bitwise and logical and is different, bitwise and is different. Logical and is different, bitwise and is different. XOR, bitwise not, left shift, right shift, unsigned right shift. Just a minute, I have one visualizer that is called as bitwise CMD. One website is there, bitwise CMD. Can you see here? Type an expression, bitwise and. So one is represented 0 0 0. 1 is represented in this form, right? 1 is 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the 8 bits, 1 is represented in this form. Now let's add a bitwise operator, 1 and 1. Hit the enter. Can you see 1 and 1 equals to 1? 0, 1 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 0 and 0, 0. Right? That's why 1 and 1 is always what? 1. We need to convert it to the bits. First, 1 would be getting converted. If this is the expression, 1 would be getting converted to the bits like this, 8 bits. Then this also getting converted to this 8 bits, 1 and 1. If you do 1 or 2, hit the enter. Can you see how 2 is represented? 1 or 2. 2 is represented 0 0 0 0 0 0. Second bit is true and 0. So 1 or 0, 1, 0 or 1, 1, rest is 0. And that's why answer is what? 3. Getting my point? And same thing you will find over here. Let's go here. Logical operators. And here we can say bitwise operators. So here we can say console.log, and so here we can say and, single and, 1 and 1, whose answer is what? 1. 1 and 1. Let's run the project. Can you see 1 and 1 answer is 1. Then here or 1 or 1 or 1 or 2, you can say. Answer is 3. Or sorry, 1 or 2, answer is 3. Can you see that? Similarly, we have XOR also. XOR. XOR. 1 cap, where is a cap? 0. Can you see one XOR? So each and everything would be getting XORed. 1 XOR this. 1 XOR 1, write this. So here let's write it. Cap means XOR. Sorry, we already have written it. 1 XOR XOR and clear it. See here. 1 XOR 3, 1 XOR, oh, okay. 1 XOR 2, 1 XOR 2. 1 XOR 2 is 3. Can you see? 1 and 1 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 0, 1. 1 0 XOR 1, 1. So if we say, whenever you make a XORing, if digits are same, answer is 0. Right? You are from electronics background, correct? Electrical. What is a XOR gate? You had XOR gate, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate. What is a XOR gate? How XOR gate works? Do you remember first year class of engineering? So at the time we have learned the XOR gate. So this is what the XOR operation. First year basic electrical engineering, BEE, right? 0 and 0, 0. If digits are same, answer is 0. No matter 1 or 0. Rest is 1. That's what the XOR gate is. And same is there, and same. The and logical OR are the gates internally. Now NAND gate is there. What is NAND gate? How NAND gate works? Operators. This bitwise not. Bitwise not. Okay. Bitwise not.
Like right shift and left shift.
Bitwise right shift, left shift. Bits are moved to the left and right. 1 and what is a 1 first? Understand this is a 1. Now we need to shift this bit to the right by 1. 1, 1. Can you see? So here, so the 1 is here. So you shifted by 1 bit, which comes over here, correct? It's a circle. So 1 right shift 1 is 0. Do you understand this or not? So this is a 1. This is a 1. If you understood this or not, I don't know. Where is a whiteboard? So 1 is represented. After a long time we open the whiteboard, right? One is represented. 1 is represented in 0, 0, 7 times 0, 2, 3, 6, right? 6 and 8. 0, 0, 0. This represents what? 1. Now what is a right shift? Right shift by 1. So here I can say right shift by 1. So this would be shifted by 1, but this is the 8 bit, so you cannot create a new bit over here, correct? So this guy jumps from here to here, and it is appended by what? A new 0. Sorry. So you are from the electrical background, right? This should be very clear to you. And this would be the right shift 1. Similarly, right shift 2, right shift 3, whatever. Same goes with the, now here we can say 1 is represented by this, 1 is here. Now 1 right shift 2, 1 right shift 2. So right shift 2 is 0, 0, 0, 0, and answer is this. 1 right shift 3. Okay, 1 left shift, this is 1, and 1 left shift 2. Can you see? It is shifted by 2 elements over here. 1 left shift 4. Can you see? 0 is shifted over here. You getting my point? What is a shift is?
Yes.
So this is nothing but what? Left shift and right shift. Theory. Bitwise left, not NAND, it is a negation. It is not NAND. JavaScript operators. JavaScript operators and bitwise not. This is the bitwise not operator. Did we see the bitwise not or not?
Yes.
Okay, bitwise not is nothing but this tilde. 1, 0. Sorry, just tilde 1. It would be negated. So here 1 is this. If you see tilde 1, each and every bit would be negated, reversed. Correct? And same thing will happen. Now XOR. What is this? I think automatically it is getting, yeah, right shift 1, right shift by 1, 1 right shift by 1, left shift by 1, left shift by 1. Now unsigned right shift, right shift. that is 3 equals. So here we can say 1 is represented by this 1, unsigned right shift -1 or -2. So unsigned would be 2. Okay. Unsigned right shift.
Sir, in the left shift, 2 times arrow.
Yeah, 2 times arrow, correct.
Yes.
Here, okay. Now, these are the signed one. But if number is -10, right shift 1. So here you can say -1 is represented by, can you see 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is a -1. Now -1, right shift 1. See, -1, right shift 1. This will happen something like this. 2, 4, 2, 1, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 1, 7, 4, 7, 4, 8, 3, 6, 4, 7. So this number will begin. This number will happen. So if you see -1, it is represented by this 2's complement method. Now see, -1, right shift 2, something like this, right? But -1, right unsigned right shift is 1. That would be something like this. So first bit defines the sign of the number. First bit. If this is 1, this is the negative number. This is what we have learnt in the electronics, basic electronics. If this is 0, correct? Just a minute. Okay. Any questions on this? Any question?
No, sir. We can use bitwise CMT for this.
Yeah, just to understand the thing. Okay. So this is how these things will work. How many other operators we have? Okay, unary operators, type of operator, instance of. We will see. We will see these operators. Okay.
Yes.
Fine. So this is all about the operators. Well, these are the main operators that we have seen. These are some extensions, you can say. Exactly, these are a part of some operators, but we can see separately time to time. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Let's call it for a day. We'll meet tomorrow. So practice it
Yes, sir.
and ask me the questions. And bitwise CMD, I will give a link. You can, just a minute. Yeah, bitwise operators represents the binary numbers. Bitwise operators in the programming are used to perform the operations on the individual bits of the binary representations of the number. These operations allow you to work at the binary level. These operations allow you to manipulate the data at the binary level, which is essential for the low level programming and optimizing the certain algorithms. So for visualizing for visualizing binary, you may use bitwise CMD. You may use website bitwise CMD, and I can add this link here. Okay,
Yes.
so these are the operators. These are the H1s or what? Okay, arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison, logical, ternary, bitwise. We will see these things later on. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Let's call it for a day. I'm disconnecting. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.